What up guys, let's get straight to the answer of the video on how it projects millions of real simulations. If I press run, it runs a new simulation every time. I think I set it to 10,000, I forgot. But anyways, here's another update I've done on my Monte Carlo simulation. We do have some new features added, some easy calculations. Now in case you do want to ask common questions, this is the expected value and max drawdown distribution and such. It's not great, I believe it hopefully is accurate. I've been running some tests on my site. There were some errors that I had to fix that were super easy and I added some new values. I'm also working on a trading bot where I do start my paper trading to profitability again, and this time I will take it a bit more seriously instead of just messing around like usual. So with that being said, here's the total P&L distribution, and also here's the probability for funded accounts. This is taken from my funded futures, by the way, not sponsored because no one knows me, how much we outperformed the S&P 500. And I also do have another strategy that has 95% pass rate on evals with my other strategy I mentioned in my first video, and still in development, which I was talking about last time. If anyone has any questions, go ahead and leave a comment and I will definitely answer. However, I will not share my strategy unfortunately because, well, many reasons. But yeah, that's pretty much honestly it. So thanks, bye.